Hello, boys and girls. Today, we will be learning all about sloths. Are you ready? I bet you are. Let's get started. What if you spent your whole life hanging upside down? Sounds strange. Not if you are a sloth. Sloths are medium-sized, furry animals. They live in Central and South America. They spend most of their lives hanging upside down in trees. They use their long, curved claws to hold on. Sloths are some of the slowest moving animals on Earth, like snails. They can hang in trees for several days. Isn't that crazy? Before touching the ground, sloths eat plants and bugs. They can be hard to see. Dark brown sloths can blend into the tops of palm trees, looking like coconuts. Question time! What do sloths do all day? A. Walk. B. Play. C. Hang upside down. Or D. Eat. If you said C, you are correct. Pat yourself on the back. What keeps sloths from falling out of trees? A. Their eyes. B. Their claws. C. Their ears. Or D. Their tails. If you said B, you are correct. What do sloths eat? A. Birds. B. Dirt. C. Animals. D. Plants. If you said D, you are correct. Remarkable. Where do sloths live? Asia, South America, Europe, or Antarctica? If you said South America, you are correct. Amazing! If you got all of them correct, give yourself a big kiss. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!